Are you an adventure seeker? Does the thought of doing something scary thrills you to the point that you can't think about it? If you answered yes to both the questions, then test your nerves by climbing these deadliest staircases around the world to experience the joy of that adrenaline rush that you always want to feel. All we want you is to look at these 10 most incredible, frightful and somewhat unsafe stairs in the world. Angkor Wat Temple Stairs, Cambodia. The Angkor Wat Temple complex in Cambodia is a significant landmark for Buddhists coming here from across the globe. There is nothing shameful in climbing these steep steps on all four or using special ropes, which lead all Buddhists to the uppermost church. Can you imagine that the stair slope is about 70 degrees? Such a hard climb was conceived specially to remind the monks of the thorny path to heaven. Janssen Observatory, Mont Blanc, France. The steps of this particular staircase are comfortable and steady and is not that crowded with tourists. So why is it even on our list? What can make your heart stop while climbing this ladder is the stairs. Unique location, the highest mountain peak in the Alps, strong winds and low temperatures included. Florli Stairs, Norway. The abandoned Florli power station in Lisbon is one of the Norway's most extreme attractions, and the main reason why it's considered so is the building's stairs. It consists of 4,444 steps, and the height from the bottom to the top of the staircase is approximately 5 feet. This is the longest wooden ladder in the world, and only the hardiest ones can handle it. Half Dome Cable Road, USA. First of all, climbing those stairs is not only a test on bravery but also a demonstration of your restraint. Everyone who wants to visit the Half Dome in Yosemite National Park in California has to make a 7-mile hike through the wild woods and then climb up the mountain using the rope ladder for more than 400 vertical feet. Duisburg, Germany. Loop, curve and climb up to nearly 69 feet on the walkable roller coaster. Even with the epic loops closed off by a barrier to the public, the installation's twisted metal staircases gives the amusement park lovers a new perspective on the classic and exhilarating ride. The Nielsen Railway, Switzerland. The steps that run alongside the Nielsen Mountain Railway in Switzerland are officially the longest stairway in the world. There are 11,674 steps in all, and it's only possible to hike them one day a year during the Nielsen run. It's only 3.4 km, but that's 1,669 meters of altitude to climb. Mount Shaoshan Heavenly Stairs, China. The path made of only 3 boards, which are nailed straight to the vertical slope of the mountain and only one chain to hold. Then comes one more set of winding steps, and finally the traveler can get his reward. What is it? You can get a chance to rest in the most remote tea house in the world. Haiku Stairs, USA. These stairs are so scary that they have been officially closed for visitors since 1987. 3,922 steps run along the Ko'olau mountain range in Hawaii since 1942. In some areas, it gets so dangerous that local authorities set up guards to not let anyone climb the ladder. By the way, these stairs were never considered as a tourist attraction and were originally set to lay the cable to the US Navy base. Inca Stairs, Peru. The ancient city of Machu Picchu is located on the top of the mountain range, so no wonder why there are some deadliest steep stairs built by Incas centuries ago. Do not expect a light walk up there. The local stairs were cut right in the granite rock and they are often slippery and covered with smoky haze. Not sure you can handle such an obstacle? Then better not try. The Payan del Diablo Waterfall Stairs, Ecuador. Translates as the Devil's Cauldron. This name was chosen for a reason, and by looking at the video Payan del Diablo later, the reason becomes clear. It's just tough to call a pleasure the process of crossing these steep steps because the waterfall adjoins the stairs quite closely. You can hardly find any dry and non-slip steps, as indeed the metal railings and fences. Stairways can leave just as much of an impact on your memory as the place they lead you. Some are so eye-catching they look like they belong in painting, while other stairs are downright intimidating, especially when they stand between you and a sight you flew halfway across the world to experience. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Until then, bye.